It's up, everybody. It's RJ with Slow Movement. So recently, my buddy Colin and I had the opportunity to go to Dubai and Abu Dhabi. We checked out all sorts of things, but this video is mostly going to capture all the exotic car dealerships we checked out. So hope you guys enjoy. Hey, what's up, everybody? So Colin and I are out in Dubai. We decided to stop by the auto market outside of Dubai, and they have a massive amount of cars. Everything from here, from like luxury cars to your simple, Corolla or classics and whatnot. So I'll just enjoy, and you guys can check out what we're checking out.
Has been moving in a way that nothing else people have ever known. Has been moving in a way that nothing else people have ever known. There isn't any real need to change things just for the sake of changing.
You got Lamborghinis and shit in there.
Yeah.
Surprise, surprise.
Hey guys, so we just got to make sure this is going. Alright guys, so we just got to the Lamborghini dealership in Dubai. We checked out all the little private tiny auto marts and stuff like that. They had some sick cars too. But now we're just gonna go see what Lamborghini Dubai has to offer. Ferrari's down the street, Lotus is down the street. We're gonna check those out too. And then there's a private or a independently owned exotic dealership down the road that has a Koenigsegg logo on the side. And it's like Colin's dream to see a Koenigsegg, favorite cars, and he's never seen one. So we're hoping we'll get lucky and they'll have a Koenigsegg inside. So stick with us.
You got Lamborghinis and shit in there. Has been moving in a way that nothing else people have ever known.
So we're at the Lotus dealership now. These guys are super cool. They're letting us walk around, ask us a few things, talk to us like, any other person. So they have some beautiful cars in here. There's actually over there, one of the gentlemen is trying to help Colin find the Koenigsegg place somewhere where he can see a Koenigsegg. But anyways, yeah, definitely if you guys are in Abu Dhabi or whatnot, any of my followers or anything like that, come check out the Lotus dealership. These guys are super great. Hey guys, so that kind of finishes up the footage for all the name brand dealerships: Lamborghini, Bugatti, Lotus, Ferrari. We went there. There were a lot of cool things. A lot of it was on my phone, and we weren't really allowed to record. And they told us we weren't able to post anything inside the dealership, so I'm going to honor that one. But still a great place. The employees there were super nice. But anyways, we're gonna kind of roll into the footage of all the independently owned dealerships, which, let's just say, some of the inventory that they had just blows my mind, and hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so behind me under this cover is a Lamborghini Veneno. They can't uncover it, but I'm pretty sure, if I remember correctly, it's the only one in UAE, so that's a pretty sick find. So the car that broke the internet a couple years ago, the gold GTR that is completely metal etched and everything, I always thought the car was in Japan, and as you guys can see behind me, it's not in Japan. It is right here in UAE, in Dubai. And this thing in person, like I said, I never thought I'd see it. It is a work of art. Like, I know my GoPro is not catching it very well, but this thing, it's stunning. It's here at Auto Deals in Dubai. So if you guys ever want to check it out, they have it here as a display car. Look at that detail. God, it's insane. Alright everyone, that kind of pretty much wraps up all the footage for all the exotic car dealerships we checked out. Other than that, the last little footage I have for you guys next is the day we decided that, or the day we were leaving, we decided to just stop by Allen Class Motorsports one more time to see if the Lamborghini Veneno just happened to be uncovered that day, and we got lucky. It was uncovered, so here's the short clip for that. In the footage, I say, you know, oh, here it is, I'll put clips in after, but literally right after I shot that, they covered up the car because we showed up probably 30 minutes before closing, just on the way to the airport. So, sorry I didn't get more clips of that, but I'll show you guys what I got and hope you enjoy. Yo, what's up everybody? So we are at Allen Class Motors here in Dubai, UAE. Behind me is Supercar Blondie's Lamborghini Huracan. She just traded in, I believe last week. I saw it on like Facebook or something like that. Gorgeous paint, or it might be, I think it's paint. I'm not really too read up on this car, but even more amazing and impressive is this. This is a Lamborghini Veneno Roadster. I believe it's one of 4 or one of 9. Sorry. The car is amazing. Sorry, I thought I was going to talk to for taking videos, but no, yeah, this car is stunning in person. We came here twice before looking around, and it was covered both times, and now it is finally uncovered, and it's a piece of art. So enjoy the clips of it, because I'm definitely going to put a lot of them. Alright everyone, so that kind of wraps up all the content we have. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, like, subscribe, you know, drop a comment in the in the comment section below. Let us know what you think, you know, things you wish you could see, check out, whatever it may be. Until next time, take care.